Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love a good nap. However, I have 3 kids and a small house where you can hear everything. So taking a nap can be a bit difficult. So what's a girl to do? Get some peace and quiet. Literally, this is peace and quiet earplugs, and they are my new friend. These are wax earplugs, and some of the things that I think are really cool, they're very moldable. You can make them different sizes. So if you think a whole plug is too big for your ear, you can take off a little bit until it feels more comfortable. And you really can get a good fit with these, and they are surprisingly comfortable. I would not have thought that they would be as comfortable as they are. You don't feel like they're going to pop out. They are in there good, but they also don't feel like something has been shoved in your ear. So when I'm taking a nap and there's like all the everyday noises of people playing music and talking and my boys joking, I do not want to hear that stuff. So this blocks all of that. But it is nice that I can still hear. Like if one of them would scream or if our doorbell rings, it's quieter, but you do hear it. I like that because I don't like being totally cut off from my kids. I'm also super excited to have these for the summer because my son is prone to ear infections when he goes swimming a lot. So these I can just break into 2 pieces and it is perfect for his little ears. It comes in this really nice storage box. It has a good seal with the plastic over it so the ones that you haven't used still stay moist and they're not all dried out. So if you're looking for a little peace and quiet in your life, order some peace and quiet earplugs and enjoy all of that peace and quietness you will enjoy in your life. But that's just my point of view.